Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to share a happy mail that I got from Enis. Um, Her channel is Papercrafting with Enis, and she had entered into my giveaway a couple weeks ago, and she told me that she wanted to send me something, and I told her you absolutely don't have to, but she did anyway. I entered into her giveaway. I sent her um, my memory decks and my embellishments for her giveaway. And in turn, she gave me this. And I'm like, oh my gosh. I had already opened this up and then I didn't realize that I wasn't filming. So it's already opened. But thank you, Enos, for this pretty card with this. Is this a die? These are so teeny tiny little flowers, and I just love it. And then this was all wrapped up with the twine. I already taken it out. She made me several different shakers here. I'm not very good at making shakers. Um, and I know that's the thing now, is making a bunch of shakers, but I never really got into them. I tried a couple times. I think I made a Christmas, oh gosh, what was it? It was a Christmas card, and I made it into a shaker, and it was a Polaroid. If I can find it, maybe I'll link it down below. But that was my one and only. I can't remember. I don't know. I think I tried it, but this is a really cute die. I don't know if this is from Scrap Diva or if this is from Allie, but this is really cute shaker lemon die. And that's really, really cute. And then she was so nice and so sweet to give me some shaker bits. And these are so sparkly and pretty. And oh my gosh, I love it. And I love the little clay bits and little hearts. It's just amazing. Um, and then she gave me some cards from her stash. And this one says, never pass up an opportunity to enjoy the beauty of summer. And believe me, I I love summer, but the heat really gets me. And I know a lot of people love the heat, and I'm just not one of those girls. So thank you, Enos, for this. I so appreciate it. And then I opened this up. I think this is the one she she did. I wonder if I can pop this off so I can reuse it. Oh, okay. But she made this too. I love the beads. Look how cute. Look at this. Here's a flamingo. I don't think I can. Oh, look how cute the flamingo is. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love anything with pink on it. It's just so pretty. I wasn't one for yellow, but I've been digging yellow lately. I don't know why. Like for bumblebees and things like that. Yellow is just a really fresh color, and I never really used it in my crafting, but I love this. So I love this shaker, this mason jar. And I love all these pretty little bits. And look at, there's happy faces. There's happy faces in there. Sorry for the glare. Okay, so she made that. I just love everything about that. And then it was wrapped up in this cellophane package, and then it had one of these shakers in here. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. She doubled up the foam. Oh, maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. I'm not doubling it up. Oh, but I love all these pieces that she's added. This looks like an eraser. Yeah, I think it's an eraser. And love it. It says main So yeah, so thank you, Enos, for this lovely, lovely, happy mail. It's certainly given me a surprise when I walked in my door to yesterday, and I wanted to do a video to showcase what you've made. I know that you've already showcased this on your on your channel, but again, I wanted to show what you've given me on mine. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Oh, another thing. Go over to Papercrafting with Enis. She's having a giveaway. I think it's good to the end of this month. So if you want to make a memory dex card in your own style and a set of embellishments, you are entered in her giveaway. And guys, you have to go and check her out. She's she does all kinds of crafting. I'm really enjoying her channel. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.